Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlog and creator. Today I want to talk about Filmora 15 and using those beautiful AI features that's built in the system. And I just want to say this, when it comes to using AI features, use those AI credits sparingly. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. But I do love Filmora. It is my go-to video editing software. And matter of fact, that's why I'm editing this video. That's what I'm creating this video with right now with Filmora. And the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention, guys, is when I say using sparingly, I mean it, because I'm going to show you how quick. I did a little sample with one just to try it out. I never really used the features within Filmora for the AI stuff because I know it uses credits. And I'm going to show you many credits it was, what I had. And doing this, I did a text to video, whatever, something along that line. One of them, I'm going to show you in a little bit. And I even got my little calculator set up here, an online calculator, to show you how many credits it used up just to do that one video. So use it sparingly. But before we get there, let me just move this over here for a second, over here. And I want to show you something over here. Maybe you guys are not familiar with this here, but Filmora even puts it out. User guide of Filmora AI credits. Okay, what is Filmora AI credits? You could read this here, okay, at your own leisure. And I'll even post the link up here as well. But while you're here, why is Filmora deducting credits? And each time you go through the little menu there, you'll see what I'm talking about, and you could read more into it there. All right, let me just, if I could slide down. I don't know if there's any more. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, well, there's more there. So, okay, this one here is why is Filmora deducting credits. How to get AI credits, okay? Validity period, okay? This is how it is, and the consumption rules, okay? This is consumption rules. Now they'll tell you over here, on the average users consume approximately 300 to 800 credits per session. Actual usage may vary based on the individual user behavior and preference. Text to image, 5 credits / time. Image to video, 60 credits. Multi-reference to video, 120 credits. Image to video, 300, and so on and so forth. And you could go down here, you could scroll down to get the little toolbar over here, whatever, the little slide bar, and you could read more into it. Okay, you can really use a lot of credits up if you use this a lot. So, and then comes the payment part of it. Okay, I don't really use, because you see what it is, I got a perpetual plan, and what I got the perpetual plan, as far as for the video editing software itself, you get to use it, and and you get the updates and all the new bells and whistles with it, and the new features that are added to it. You get it with the perpetual plan. At least that's where it's been working for me. So I do love Filmora, and I use it exclusively. This is my go-to video editing software. The only reason I'm bringing this to you, bringing it out to your attention, guys, is for those of you out there who are just getting started with it, it's great. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to show you the thing I did here, and it's great. And I'm going to show you how much AI credits I use to make that little video. Okay, so let me just show you something over here really quick before we go in there. This is what I had here. Let me just expand it a little over here. Now, if you could see over here, can I expand anymore? I think that's basically it, right? Okay, I think that's, well, okay, here we go. You see over here with my hand, with the mouse cursor is moving here, the little hand. You see what it says? 2770. Now, I had to go back. This was a video I did, I don't know, a while back. I don't know, a couple days back. I took a snapshot of it. It's having fun with Filmora 14. I know it's 14, but we're into 15, I know. But what I'm trying to say is I never really used the credits. That's why I had that 2770 on it, and that's why I want to share with you guys. I want to show you how many credits I used just making the video I did. So just remember that number up here. It's right over here, 2770. My mouse cursor is moving. Okay, I'm going to close this window out, and here I am at the Filmora 15 interface. Anytime you want to know, just click on the version. It'll tell you right here's the latest one, 15.1.11. That's the latest version. Okay. Also, what I want to do is I want to go to stock media. I'm going to show you what I did here. Okay. And I'm going to show you, then I'm going to read a little more into it. We're going to go back over here, and I'm going to show you what the actual cost could be when you start using it. So all media over here, in the stock media, it says all media AI, and this is my file. Now, this is the one I did. Okay, text to video. Okay, that's what it was. It makes great, it'll even tell you on there when it puts it up on the screen, generated by AI. Check this out. And then I'm gonna bring the calculator up. Matter of fact, I should get the calculator now. We'll just put it over here for now, okay? And we're gonna load up here just to save a little time. I'm gonna put over here 2770, okay? And we're gonna put the minus on here. Let's go over here. One more time. Right here, right where mouse cursor is moving, generated by AI. Now, let's go back over here to the media. Now, let me go bring the calculator back up just to show you how many credits I used. I got a balance of 1640. 1640 minus. That's how many credits I used to make that video. From 2770, I'm going by the balance of it, 1640. That's how many credits I used to make that video. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's nice. I didn't realize we'd use that many though. So now here's the thing I want to point out to you guys. Check this out. When you go up here, this was how many credits I have left over, and you click this on, right? It'll show you 1640 credits left, whatever, and then you got the activate, whatever that stuff here. When you go to top up, check this out. It's gonna bring this window up. Now, choose your AI pack to boost your productivity. Available on both Windows and Mac OS. Okay, so if you buy this here, the way I see it, you're gonna buy it, you're gonna get 1,500 credits. If you go, this is the most popular one for $9.99, $9.99 monthly, you're gonna get 2,000 credits. Plus they give you 1,500 credits, plus 500, whatever, as you can see here, buy now. And that's not it. That's like, oh, that's the only ones I got. Oh no, you see the little arrow over here? It gets better, okay? So now that's for 2,000 credits, $25.99. So you could buy $26 worth of credits, which is 5,000, right? And you get that. Here, you got for $37.99 per month, right? And you get 8,000 credits, okay? According to this. Now let's hit the little arrow and see what else we got. Now, we got that one, right? We did the 37. Here's for $50.99. You get 10,000 credits. And it will keep going. For $100, you get 20,000 credits. And for $219, you get 50,000 credits. And for $400, you get 100,000 credits. Now you can see why I'm telling you guys to use those AI credits that they give you, use them sparingly. Anyway, guys, that's all I have right now for you. If you like this video, or if you checked out any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post any videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.